Hello. In this video, we will see how you can create a video and then edit with Predis.ai. So first, let's go to create new in the top left side. Then I will click on the social media under business and services, and I will select the long video. Now I can choose the size, portrait, square, landscape. I will go with portrait and I will click on continue. So this is the part where I'll be entering my input about what kind of post or what kind of video I'd like to create with Predis.ai. Now, once it is done, on the right side, I can do some customization regarding my post before creating my post. So in this video, I'll not change all these options. We will just try to edit the post once it is generated, and we'll see what all options we have in that. So I'll just simply click on generate. Yeah, I'll just wait for a couple of seconds. Yeah. So the post has been created. I will just click on this post and I'll see how it looks.
Storyblocks Audio.
Now let's say if I want to change this post, if I want to edit this, our main USP is that this post is completely editable. So we can change everything in this video. So starting from the template, let's say if I'm not happy with this kind of template, I will just choose a different templates. So from here, let's go with some different template. Okay, let's go with maybe this one. Yeah. So I'll just wait for 2 seconds and my post will be changed. Yeah. So my post has been changed now. The template has been changed. Now, let's say if I want to change the image or the video from here, I can even change that. I will click on AI recreate. I can just add my input here and I can click on generate. Same thing with my background video also. Let's say if I want to AI create it, I can do that. Or what I can do is I'll just go to media and from here I'll just pick a different image or a different video which will be playing in the background of my video. So let's say if I want to go with this one. So I'll just click on it and it is changed. Similarly, if I want to go with this one, I will click on it and it is changed. I can even double click on it and I can keep crop it and how it looks. Same thing with my background video and image also. I will just double click on it and I can just see the part which I want to keep it here. Now coming to the text, I can even change the text. I'll just double click on the text and I can completely edit this. I can just write on my own, or I can just use the AI write. And from here, I can just change the tone or shorten my text. Maybe let's say font friendly. I will select that. I can even crop it so that it fits here. Yeah, so everything is possible. Now let's say in this post, I want my logo to be there. So I'll just go to uploads and here in the top, I'll go for the logo. From here, I'll just click on my logo. And then maybe let's say if I want to go with this one or this one, I can just click on it and this will be coming in my post. So I can just shorten it and maybe let's say if I want to put my logo here, I can do that. So all these things are possible. We have multiple animations option also. Let me show you. So I can just click on this animate and from here I'll just get multiple animation option. I can explore these also. I can just explore how many delay I want in this animation. What should be the speed of the animation, then the direction. So everything is controllable. So for now, I'll just remove the animation. Now, let's say I want to apply a mask to this image or a video. I can just do that. I'll just click on apply mask. And maybe I want to, let's select this one. And maybe I just want to circle it. So this photo or this video will be circled. If I want to make it a square or maybe if I want to make it star. So all these things are possible from the masking features also. Now we have multiple features if I want to trim this particular video. So I'll just click on this trim video. And from here, I'll just trim it. Maybe let's say if I don't want 17 seconds, I just want 8 seconds. So I'll just click on this 8 seconds and done. Now this video will be only for 8 seconds. If I click on play all scenes, okay, let me just click on play currents. Yeah. So the video size, yeah, it is for 8 seconds. Yeah. Great. So there is a background video also. Let's say change the time for this. From here in the bottom, I will just remove the time as, let's do for 7 seconds or 6 seconds only. Yeah. So let's do for 6 seconds, and I'll just click on play current scene once again. Now for each of the scenes, I can do the same thing. From this also, I can just change the design. I can change the video which is playing in the background, or maybe if I want to change the text, I can do that. In the left side also, let's say I want to use my own personal video here. So what I'll do is I'll click on upload, and from here I'll just upload my own video, and then I'll just use that video instead. Yeah. So we have elements option also. In this elements, we can basically put some shapes, illustration, and icons. I can search for the icon, and then I can use that. On the layers, we can actually see like how many layers we have in this post, and for each layers, if I want to log that error, log that, maybe if I want to see how my post looks without that layer, I can do all the things from here. Once I'm done with all kind of configuration, I will just click on the save button, and my post has been saved. Yeah. So this was all regarding the editing.